Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 17 and I'm going to be doing a video all about my hair. I've been noticing an increasing amount of comments about my hair and how I got it so long, what products I use, and things like that. So I'm going to start off with like my hair story or my hair journey. The reason why I do this is because I didn't really experience or have any really traumatic experiences with my hair. Thank God. I love my hair so much. I'm pretty sure my sister has a whole video up on her channel about like her hair story and what her hair went through, because her hair has been through a lot. She went like all platinum blonde and it damaged her hair, and then she cut it all like up to her shoulders, and it was just a mess. If you are interested in that story, the link will be down in the description. You can totally go check it out. But yeah, she just always tells me not to dye my whole head one color because it'll mess with your roots and you'll never get your actual root color back unless if you let it grow out, which takes years. My hair does not really grow that fast, so yeah, I never did that. So that whole experience with my sister dyeing her hair happened maybe like a year or two ago. So before even all that happened, maybe when I was like in 7th or 8th grade, I did a major chop to my hair, and I'm talking like above the shoulders. My hair was like this short. I'm not even joking, you guys. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what even was running through my head, because my hair was long and I don't know what I was thinking with just chopping it off all the way. Like, if you are not sure about like a certain haircut and you just want to try out going shorter, go like right here first, and then like if you really like that, like go above. Don't just like go up to here and go all in, because biggest regret of my life, you guys. Also, I just want to mention, I don't personally like short hair on me. I feel like short hair can look super beautiful on some girls. If you can pull it off, good for you. I really wish I can. I honestly love how short hair looks, but on me, it's just an absolute no. I feel like my face shape, just something about it just does not go together. And I feel like that's why I did the big chop in the first place, because I love how short hair styles look, so I thought that they would look good on me too, so I did it, and it didn't look good at all. I'll also try and find and insert some pictures along the way. Sorry if I don't end up finding any. You can also go to my first video, which was the what's in my book bag for 2016, my freshman year. My hair was super short in that video. It's in a ponytail, so you can't really tell, but I had like little baby hairs out like this that were like this long, and they're not even baby hairs. Anyways, so yeah, my hair was like right here in 8th grade, and then by freshman year it only grew like about down to my shoulders, which it should have grown more than that because I did the big chop in the beginning of 8th grade. Like, it wasn't towards the end of 8th grade. It literally had the whole 8th grade year, all summer, and it still was only down to my shoulders. My hair does not grow fast at all. I know I have pictures of what my hair looked like in like 9th and 10th grade, but I just don't know about 8th grade. I'll have to like find them somewhere. I don't know. So all through 9th grade, my hair was growing, but it was still short, or short to me. When I say short, I don't mean like short up to here. It kind of, by the end of 9th grade, it like grew to down here maybe. So by the middle of 10th grade, I started taking these like hair growth vitamins. I'll find a picture and put them here. They're not Sugar Bear hair. This video is not sponsored, but I honestly think they worked. Hair did not grow incredibly fast, like from here to here in like a week like they advertise. It honestly just grew a little bit faster than normal pace, and it said it was really good for your skin and your nails, and I actually did notice an increase in growth of my nails because I have a really bad biting addiction to my nails. But by the end of 10th grade, I don't really know why, I just never ended up repurchasing the vitamins. It's not that they didn't work out for me. I had no complications while taking them. It was just I just didn't end up repurchasing them. And keep in mind that all of 10th grade I was using hair growth shampoos too. I was actually using the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow shampoo. It's in like a red bottle. So by the end of 10th grade, my hair ended up getting maybe to around like right here, which was still really, really good, and such an improvement from, I don't know why it was growing so slow from like 9th grade to 10th grade, but it literally did not grow at all that year, and I did not get any haircuts because I've always heard people, if you want your hair to grow long, just don't cut it because it grows from the roots, not the ends. But that does create a lot of split ends, I will admit that. If you want your hair to grow long, I wouldn't recommend cutting it, but I would recommend really, really deep conditioning and taking good care of it, because if you just let it grow, it'll have super bad split ends and just get really unhealthy if you just let it grow without trying to take care of it. In the summer from 10th to 11th grade, that's when my hair grew the most in my whole entire life. I don't know if it was the shampoo, if it was just because the way I was taking care of it that summer. I don't really know. And also the most recent trip that I went on to Florida this year, right before school started, I did cut my hair in Florida, but I told the lady to take off like only an inch because it was super dead from the dry weather down there. So I did get a trim, which I also regretted because she ended up taking off way more than an inch. I would say before I got the cut at Florida, my hair was like maybe this long, and now it's like this long. So yeah, my most recent cut, I actually did not know the lady who was doing it because, like I said, it was down in Florida, so it wasn't the girl that I usually go to because I couldn't wait. It literally was so dried out and so damaged. So I regretted that, and then I actually went back on the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow shampoo and conditioner because before that, since I was happy with the length of my hair, I just used like any other shampoo and conditioner. And then from that haircut to now, I maybe chopped it up to here and it grew this much. Also, the straightener that I use is the Chi Air one. This one is quite expensive. So yeah, I love this and I would definitely recommend it, but there are other cheaper alternatives that do still work that are way lower than $100. So as far as the products that I use for my dry shampoo, I have a whole bunch of the Not Your Mother's products because I just love their brand in general. It's more of like a texturizing dry shampoo, and this one's more of like a refreshing one. So I feel like I use this more on the daily if I just need like a quick spray and go dry shampoo. And then the texturizing dry shampoo, I don't tend to use this as much as this one, but I still do love this one for like if I want a little bit more volume and it's looking super flat. And then for whenever my hair is wet, no matter if I'm getting out of the pool, out of the shower, whenever my hair is just wet, I love spraying this on. This is the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow leave-in conditioner. The reason why I love this brand so much is not just because they have a line for growing your hair long, but they also promote it as long and strong, so it does really protect against your hair and prevent breakage. I use this literally every single time after the shower. I just feel like it's so good for combing out your hair when it's wet because my hair is very stubborn when it's wet. This is my second bottle of this product. I love it so much. Just such a great product, and it also detangles and it's super healthy for your hair. And another product that I absolutely stand by, I obviously would not put anything in this video if I truly didn't like it or didn't use it, but this is the John Frieda Frizz-E. I have the worst frizz, and I feel like that's because my hair is so long and because it's so damaged and there are lots and lots of split ends that they kind of just like curl up at the top, and it's like really weird. This is literally my third bottle of it because I've been using it every day since the beginning of 10th grade. This is like a thick, creamy texture. You would think that it would make your hair look greasy or oily, but that is not the case at all. This honestly just gives my hair so much moisture, and it keeps it so healthy looking while still taming all of my frizz. But that was it for my hair story slash things that I use and how I got my hair so long. So that was it for this video and how I got my hair so long and the products that I use. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below what color hair you have because I'm curious. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future because I have a whole lot of vlogs coming out for Vlogmas. We're actually getting towards the end, so I'm going to not be able to say that anymore. But that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much, and bye guys!